Hey guys, it's me Mahaveer. This is my screencast for my web animation project, which I have to create an animation for 20 seconds in my HTML project. So I'll run my HTML project over here, my website. So in that I've created animations worth for like that comes around for 20 seconds. Just give me a minute. Yep, I've kept all of my most of my animations in loader and some of them in my FAQ. Over here in FAQ, you can see that my the my letter the alphabets in FAQ go around can come each other, go around and from the left goes to the middle and then comes to the same position that I've kept. And in loader, I've made three animations over here. One for the Pablo Picasso one over here, which comes from left to right, and some of the quotes that he said, and the image of Pablo Picasso and the sketchbook, the name of my website. They come and rotate at 90 degrees, and the image rotates at 90 degrees and goes back. And for the sketchbook, it changes its colors, comes and zooms, comes in the middle, and then goes back again. And for the other one over here, which shares it's a loader. I actually learned this from the website W3 Schools, and I added some of my changes to it. And yeah, let me just show my code. So over here for the FAQ that was in my that was for the questions. It's I've given a delay effect over there, F, A, and Q, so that I've given a delay of each. I've given a delay of 1 second for each and every alphabet. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've kept the font size to be 50, and I've given a delay of 1 second for F, 1 second for 2 seconds for Q, and the apostrophe and the comma colon and S for 3 seconds. And the keyframe over here, and then and for the next one, for the one that comes from left to right, Pablo Picasso and some quotes of him that he said. I've given a delay of each 1 second for each and every of the letters for Pablo Picasso, except for his name, the second name, Picasso, Picasso. For double S, I've given the delay time to be same as 9 seconds over here. It shows like 9 seconds, and for each and every day, for each and every and for each and every letter I've given an ID. I've made a list and I've given an ID for that, so that I'll give a hashtag and I can use that for specifying the animation, the amount of delay time that should be used over there. So as you can see over there for P, the first letter, I've used delay A, and an animation and the animation thing, for the animation I've used a delay of 1 second here. And for all the other letters I've given a delay of the 1 2 3 4 and other things. And for the image and the my name of the sketchbook, which comes and for the image it comes increases its font size and increases its size and rotates at a 90 degree over here, as you can see. Yeah, yeah, and the image animation, yeah. It starts from 0%, goes to 50%, then goes to 80%, and I've given the width and height for the starting to be at 100%, and for 50%, when it comes to 50%, the width and height of it changes to 300 to 200 pixels, so it keeps on increasing. And when it comes to 50%, I've given a scale transformation, a negative scale transformation, and then when it comes to 80%, I've given a rotate of 45 degrees for that. And for the text animation, it comes around it comes starts from 0% and comes to a 50% and goes for 80% and again 100%. So when it comes to at 45 degrees, it rotates itself. And I've given mentioned the color over here, which is white, black, and blue and red. So it keeps on changing at the time it gets animated. And the animation is for 10 seconds, and I've given an infinite loop so that it keeps going on and on and again. And the last one was the loader, which I actually the other one, the image and the text one, which was record which took place at the same time, that we actually did it in a class a few days before. So I used the code from Derek's website over there. And the other one in this loader, actually I learned how to do this from W3 schools, a website from W3 schools. And I just gave the border top to be 16 pixels over here. And I mentioned, as my background is black, I gave a background black over there, so that only the two white colors over there, I thought it would look cool over there. And I've given a spin of 2 seconds, and I've given the loop to be infinite, so that it keeps going on and on again. And I've given the frames to spin from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Yeah, I'll show that to you again. Yeah, over here. As my background is black, only the two white curves you can see on the background gets black. And so I've given a border radius of 50% to it, so that actually while doing it, it's a square, and after you give a border radius, it becomes a circle over here. As I've given the infinite loop, it keeps going on and again.